Holy shit. I was seeing like these bullet things in the street and like not really understanding, like here's one here, right? And I was trying to piece together like what does it mean, and then Alton's like, oh, we've been checking the helium things or whatever. I'm like, what are you talking about? He's like, these kids suck. I was like, what? They just like suck on a helium thing. And now we've realized, like when we went past earlier on, that they put it in a balloon and then it's like laughing gas, isn't it? Anyway, so when we walked through earlier on, there was like, we saw like one group of people doing it, and now we've come back and how many of those canisters were on the street? It's flipping insane. I mean, not compared to Tuk, but like, friends, it's all happening. London, incoming. Eek! We've just arrived at Cape Town International. My dad's stopped us off. We're gonna go check in. And then flight to Joburg incoming. Guys, life has just been so deep. I booked my plane ticket in my South African ID because that's my new married name, and you have to book it in your passport name, which is in my maiden name, so I couldn't get on the plane. Oh shit. Oh shit. Panic stations. I actually have Bell's palsy, I'm so stressed. Jokes. But yo, the women at SAA hooked me up big time. Their staff were flippin' amazing, like they were so professional and helpful, like sure, I'm literally gonna buy flowers on my way home because she saved my ass big time. Bottom line is that you always have to have your travel documents available with you, so I've got my Dropbox, like my marriage certificate. I had to run downstairs, print that, run upstairs. I had my new name in my ID and in my driving license, and Alton's not convinced they would have let me go if I wasn't able to sort of prove that I really was that person, so such deep times, guys. Alton's also shook us.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I
think it's happening. We're boarding the plane. I think we're going to England. Praise be the Lord. Yo.
Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
We found a friend. Enjoy. We're just chilling out here because our hotel's only ready for us at 2 o'clock, so we're just catching up, killing time, and hanging out in Bricklane. Just went inside the Superdrug here in Aldgate and found the most amazing Makeup Revolution and Makeup Revolution Pro stands. That's incredible. And then the boys found this amazing art installation. What the hell? What? left that absolutely insane building and we've just walked all the way through monuments and up now until London Bridge. I mean, how cool is the weather and how beautiful is this view? Past exhaustion at this point, but we've forced ourselves to come to Primark to try and find something cute to wear, but I think all of us are just actually too tired to make it work, so I think I'm going to go after this. I need to nap, guys. Yo. Guys, I'm officially dying. The boys are dying too. We're 500 meters away from the hotel. We need a nap big time. Having said that, what a flipping amazing day so far. Welcome to 5 hours later. Join. Hi. We've had a nap. We're still both totally exhausted. I've put on a bunch of makeup to try and make myself seem younger. But we're going to walk up the road now to Dinerama and see if we can get some foodies. They've got so many nice little like stores so you can try lots of different things and have a drink. And yeah, sure, it's been such a full, crazy, amazing day. But we've got another crazy, amazing day tomorrow. So we don't want to go too far and spend too much money. So yeah, Dinerama, here we come. Well, some people say Dinerama, but Dinerama. Anyway, whatever. Bricklane nights incoming. Guys, every time I come to England I have to buy this awful drink called Wicked. I used to drink it all the time when I lived in England and it's basically like blue vodka energized. It's so tasty but terrible. I'm definitely going to get a heartburn, but I can't wait. And then we managed to get some salted caramel limited edition M&Ms. Yo, I love salted caramel, man. They were so tasty. I mean, helpful. He helped me get the little this thing postal.
How should I feel about the men being tasty?
Version 2.0, Wild Berry apparently. Only hang out with my favorite band. You paid £3 to be my friend, okay. What an insane 24 hours of my actual life. Like, from basically not getting on the plane, holy crap, to like today's insane mission, like my right knee's hurting. We are spent, so we're super amped to go home and just sleep, but also like how fun to be in London. It's such a special place, I love it. Hey John.
Yeah.
But my battery's gonna die, so if I don't get to say goodnight, good night guys! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon tomorrow. Hospitality in the park. We've had a nap and I have not woken up looking any fresher than before I went to sleep. We're still so flipping exhausted. But on the upside, Makeup Revolution fans, I don't know if you guys have seen, but they've released a foundation. They have released the Concentrate and Hydrate, and I've been dying to try this out. So I managed to get some today. Give this a go and see if it can give me 10 years of my life back. So that's actually the stick from inside the foundation bottle.
Ow.